one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Local Eats again. It's been a week. This week we're having Fat Zach's. Do a little oven-fired pizza. And the pizza I got is actually their Fat Zach's pie. I'll make sure to get it down there and get you a good look. As soon as I grab a bite. There you go. Now when you hold your pizza, are you a folder? Because I'm a folder. I definitely like to fold it. Oh man, it's not my first time here, but it's my first time filming it. They have a really good pizza. So there's a close-up of what she looks like. Got a pepperoni, sausage, bacon, like linguiça, all in an oven-fired pizza dough, which is chewy and delicious. I've got a little bit of Parmesan I'm gonna add once I turn this. The moment I turn this camera off, I'm gonna go back to eating, and I'll tell you what. Just down to the last two slices. These guys have a really good pizza, really good, tasty. And you know, the last time I had their pizza, I DoorDashed it to work. It wasn't really that good. No, I didn't get online and trash them or anything, but you know, I gave them another chance. And it was right back up there again. I mean, not that the pizza was bad. It was just, I think it got a little cold because the DoorDash driver waited too long to come pick it up. And when they drove over the other, and we have like 3 entrances, but one is the only one in the middle that people actually go into. You know, the one with all the cars around it, and they went all the way down to the end. It's like, why would you go where there are no cars? It didn't make any sense. So, and you know, people can have a bad day. So, excuse me, I try not to hold it again. All right, take 2. While I'm talking, just burp, burp, burp. Anyway, yeah, lunch is good. Lunch is complete. Very good. Would eat there again. I'll have to go home and record the menu because they had to-go menus, but the printing was so small I didn't think it would show up on camera. So I can, I'll just go home and record the menu, which we'll go ahead and do that right now. All right. Hopefully this will show up. Okay, print is kind of dim. Oop. As I knocked the tripod. So Sumner, Fat Zach's. They've got, well, I'll just go to the menu. They have 10-inch, all pizzas are 10 inches, 8 slices, hand tossed, made to order. They've got the Jet Pizza. Of course, I'll link all this down below. I would have linked their actual website just to show you because I found it right here. So you click on the menu and you get this crap. Like, seriously? Anyway. So this is allmenus.com. So they got the Jet Pizza, the Fat Boy Pizza, the Polly Pig Pizza, Mama Rita Pizza, Farmer's Pizza, the Fat Zach, which is one I had, pepperoni sausage, Canadian bacon, linguiça, crumbled bacon, mozzarella blend, and tomato sauce, the 18-wheeler pizza, which I haven't had any of these other ones. You got Parvarati pizza with chicken, jalapeno big pizza, Bam Bam big barbecue pizza. So I've not had that one. Grilled chicken, onion, which I'd say no to. Pineapple, which I don't do pineapple on pizza, so I'd say no to that too. But mozzarella blend with barbecue sauce. We got pizza with dill pickles on it. Weird. Oh, it's vegetarian. Cashew on the flip side pizza. Pineapple or pepperoni, pineapple, and cashews. That sounds a little weird. And then a fat patty pizza. Pepperoni sauce. It sounds just like the... Oh, but I think it has ranch sauce instead of tomato sauce. Or marinara sauce, excuse me. Then they got garlic bread, garlic ciabatta. They got the wings, which I actually really like chicken wings. So I might have to try those at some point. And then they got 3 salads here. Garden salad, Caesar salad, which is my favorite. They got cannolis for dessert. Sugar. They have these sugar cookies. I couldn't justify spending $6 on it though. And then fountain drinks, which I always try to avoid, just because, you know, $2 for a fountain drink, which I could just bring a can of soda for like literally like change. So I'll link the menu down below. I'm not sure if it's coming up all right or not. Alrighty, well, check the description for links for the last one, or there'll be an end card somewhere on the screen, somewhere in here, where I'll put the last week's video plus my playlist. If you missed any episodes, you want to go back and check. And as always, I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next week, and have a good one.